War yan.
It's recording. It's a video.
So, nag-record na? Magkakanta na kami?
Alat ka, this is dedicated to the Second World War veterans in the Pacific, honoring the great General MacArthur. His song, I Shall Return, dedicated to all the veterans, I Shall Return. Manayo. This is sung by the Lastrella sisters. Norma Morante, Norma Lastrella Morante, and Aida Lastrella Guerrero.
YouTube mo. Sige na.
Sige na. I shall return, I told you so, and now I'm coming back to you. Your land I love, dear Philippines, where people fight and fight for liberty. We on the march to victory. Oh, loving nations will be happy. Boys from the war front will join the home front to build a nations brave and free. Pangako ko'y magbabalik, kaya ako'y naririto sa pitak ng aking dibdib. Hinding-hindi mawawalay kayo, malapit na ang tagumpay. Mga bansa ay liligaya, pagtutulungan, itindig natin itong iyong bayan sinta. I love you all, and we look forward to having a good time among the veterans. My late father, Yusafe Eustaquio
Contreras
Lastrella. We love all of you, dear veterans of the Second World War, especially those who survived the death march in Corregidor. We love you, and God bless us all.
Okay.
Bye.
So, ano?